Team, we're gonna do a little shrimp scampi on the Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle coming up. Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Also, welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Really appreciate you taking your time to watch this video today. Guys, like I said, we're gonna be making some shrimp scampi on the Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle. This one is gonna take no time at all. It's easy as can be. These shrimp cook in mere minutes. Got a good, what I call a shrimp bath for them with that butter, wine, seasoning. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. Guys, this is another part in my air fryer shrimp recipe series. Now, I'll put links up here in the iCards throughout these videos. I will also have them listed below in the show description. I'll have the links for each of the videos down there as I release them. So you'll be able to jump back and forth. These videos will be released within a week period. So Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and Tuesday. Those are my drops during the week. So like I said, from Tuesday to Tuesday, we'll have 4 videos out. So make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell and get all the notifications so you can see when we release these videos, okay? And there are gonna be 4 videos in this series. We have a shrimp boil, the shrimp scampi, air fried shrimp, and grilled shrimp, okay? The idea of these is you can do them in any air fryer, but again, we'll be using my Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle throughout this series, okay? With this shrimp scampi, there isn't a whole lot as far as the recipe goes. There's not a whole lot of ingredients. Have some wine, garlic, lemon, butter, some salt, pepper, obviously some shrimp, little parsley. So like I said, this is gonna cook up really fast. It's gonna be delicious. I will have the printable recipe on my website, so cookingwithcj.com. You check it out. If you don't wanna try to follow a video as you're cooking, get that printable recipe over there. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, these shrimp are gonna take no time at all. Let's get down to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and turn our Foodi Grill on. We have the griddle plate in. We're gonna turn it to the griddle setting, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. We're not gonna need 30 minutes, trust me. Let's go ahead and get it preheated and we'll come back. All right, team, we got our griddle plate heating up. It's gonna be a little hot, so let's get it going. Gonna build our little sauce, if you will, for the scampi. Come on. We're getting plenty of butter down. Add our garlic in. Start working that in, get it nice and fragrant. Get a little red pepper flakes in there. You can omit it if you want. Just a little olive oil for flavor. Going with a little cracked black pepper too. And just a little splash of Sauvignon Blanc, white wine. Maybe like a quarter of a cup, no big deal. You know I'm gonna try it. All right, let's get these shrimp cooking, huh? I'm gonna salt and add parsley and lemon after I flip these, okay? I just got a dozen jumbo shrimp right here. I'm not trying to overcrowd them, just let them cook in the scampi. Let them cook in the juice, scampi juice. All right, let's give these a flip. These are looking too good. You know, garlic, butter, wine. You can't go wrong with the smells on that, right? Because it's starting to smell outstanding in here. Okay. This is gonna come together, like I said, in no time. Next thing we're gonna do is add a little lemon to the mix. Just squeeze, whoa. Squeeze a little too hard there. Let's go ahead and wipe that down. Hey, part of cooking's making a mess. Next thing up, we're gonna add some parsley to the mix. Add a little parsley in there. Give these one more little mix, a little stir. I'm not gonna flip them anymore. Look at all that goodness in here, that butter, that wine, that garlic in here. The butter's kind of browning, the flavors intensifying. Oh, it's looking too good. All right, another minute or so, we're gonna take it off, give it a try. Scampi is done. Smells amazing, looks amazing. Took no time at all, right? I think it was 5-6 minutes. I really wasn't paying attention to the clock. You know, I just have a feel for when the shrimp is done, but about 2-3 minutes each side, you'll be good to go, okay? Go ahead and cut into this and give one a try. Looking good to me. Hell yeah. The flavors are just outstanding. Buttery, garlicky. The wine kind of cooks off in there, but you can get a little twinge of it in the back. Oh, it's too good. All right, so guys, if you're using a regular air fryer, you don't have a griddle attachment for your air fryer, do it in the pan, preheat it to 400, put all that stuff in there, you know, the butter, oil, garlic, all that jazz, shrimps, shut it down for about 5 minutes, give it a mix, see where your shrimp is at, whether it's done or not. Usually I use about 130 internal for you know, determination if it's done or not. So you can get yourself, you know, instant read thermometer to check it out, okay? But it's just as easy in the air fryer, okay? Like I said, this is part of a 4-part series on shrimp recipes in your air fryer. Make sure you're subscribed, check it out below. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi grill and griddles, hit the link down below. It's an affiliate link, doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps out the channel. All right. Anything I use in my videos, from knives to cutting boards to lighting to cameras, I put affiliate links all down below. So if you want to check it out, check it out. If you want to be a show producer like all these fabulous people right here, these smart, attractive, amazing people right here, hit that join button. It's right down below, right next to that subscribe button that you should already hit. Other than that, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.